Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on operations and functions, no? So sa mga previous videos dito sa ating series, no, pinag-aralan natin kung paano ba mag-add ng functions, no? And at the same time, pinag-aralan din natin yung effect ng domains, no, ng individual functions, yung addends natin doon sa domain, doon sum, no? Yung sum function natin. So, sabi natin, the domain is actually the intersection of the two domains. No? Gagamitin natin yung concept na yan to find the domain of the remaining of the examples in the remaining tutorial videos. No? So, kasi pag nag-add ka lang naman tsaka nag-minus ng dalawang functions, you're just actually adding and subtracting polynomial expressions, which is, pag alam mo na, wala namang problema, no? So, yan. Okay, so, let's have, what is f minus g of x? Nabura ko yata dito, f minus g of x. No? So, ang f minus g of x from the definition, this is equal to f of x minus g of x. And f of x is just 2x minus 7. And this is just ang g of x, may subtraction tayo dito. We have x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay. And 2x minus 7 minus. No? So, naka-parenthesis siya. This is the entire expression. Ibig sabihin ay magma-minus x squared tayo. And then, yung opposite operation, magiging plus 4x. Magiging minus 5. So, madalas, no, ina-arrange natin yung ating polynomial expressions in decreasing powers, no? So, ito mauna yung ano natin, yung negative x squared plus meron tayong 2x tsaka meron tayong 4x. So, parehong positive. So, we add 6x. And then, meron tayong minus 7 tsaka minus 5, which is minus 12. Okay? So, this is f minus g of x. No? Now, yung f minus g of 2, pag nakuha mo na yung f minus g of x, papalitan mo lang to ng 2 lahat ng x dito, di ba? So, this is f minus g of 2 is equal to negative 2 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 12. So this is equal to negative 4 plus 12 minus 12 ba to? So minus 4 plus 4x minus 5. Okay, so minus 12 na siya. And we have a minus 12 here. So this is negative 4. F minus g of 2 is equal to negative 4. Baka nagtaka kayo, bakit siya negative 4? Negative 2 squared is different. Pag negative 2 squared number parenthesis, that's 4. No? Pero pag nag-negative 2 squared ka lang na ganyan, that's negative 4. No? So, wag kayong malilito dyan. Mamaya makikita nyo na tama tayo. Graph natin yan. Okay, so we have what is the domain of f minus g? Sabi natin na sa previous videos, no, and sinabi ko rin kanina, that the domain of f minus g is just the intersection of the domain of f and the domain of g. And the domain of f is what? This is a linear function. So this is, ang domain niya is real numbers. And the domain of g, this is a quadratic function and the domain is also real numbers. So yung domain of f minus g is the set of real numbers. Okay? So tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura ng f of x, ng g of x, tsaka yung minultiply na natin. No? Ayun yung minus na natin. So f of x is a linear function. Siyempre, line yan, di ba? Straight line. X minus 7. Yan siya. And then yung ating I should enlarge the window a little bit. Yan, yung graph niya. And then the other one is x squared minus 4x plus 5. So g of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so yan yung ating functions, yung dalawa nating functions. Isang quadratic, syempre, ano siya, parabola, at isang linear function. Pag nag-add tayo, what is f of x plus g of x? Okay, so yan yung ating, bakit add? Dapat minus, no? So f of x, medyo may sira yung shift ng aking keyboard, minus g of x. Okay. Ito siya. So this is the resulting function, yung kulay gray. Bakit siya naging pa ganon? Naging, why does the function opens, the graph of the function opens downwards? So kasi dito, naging negative x squared siya. So di ba pag quadratic function, pag negative yung a mo, di ba? Quadratic function is of the form f of x. Maybe we should use y. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Pag yung a mo ay less than 0, yung graph mo ay paganyan, di ba? Pag ang a mo ay greater than 0, pag graph mo paganon, di ba? This is a less than 0, this is a greater than 0. Okay, so kaya siya naging, kaya siya nag-open downward. Okay, so nasaan yung anong kanina? Yung negative 4, di ba? So pag ginawa nating 4 yun, ano mangyayari? Pare, pag 4 ito, magiging 4 plus 12 minus 12, di ba? Magiging negative, magiging 4 siya. Pero ang sagot natin, yung tamang sagot, negative 4. So, ano ang f of f minus g of 2? Ang f minus g of 2 is the same as h of 2, di ba? So, 2, gagawa tayo ng, saan yung 2? Ito yan, di ba? X equals 2, meaning, ito, yung value ng x natin is 2. At x equals 2, ano ang value ng y natin? Diba? Negative 4. So, tama yung sagot natin dito. Yung 2, negative 4, nasa graph siya. Pag yung sagot natin dito ay 4, pag ginawa mong negative 2 squared equals 4, magiging positive siya. Positive 4. 2, and then positive 4. Wala namang point dito. Wala naman sa function yung 2 positive 4. Ito siya. 2 yung x, positive 4 yung 4. Wala siya dun sa resulting function. Malayo siya yung resulting function natin sa baba. Okay, so ang tamang sagot dito ay negative 4. Yung discussion natin, pag sinunod natin yung negative 2 squared equals 4. This is wrong. This is the correct answer. Okay? At nakita nyo sa graph na nandun nga siya sa point. So, ang negative 2, 4 ay, nasaan siya? Sorry, ang 2, negative 4 ay nandito siya. So, 2 and negative 4. Okay, so that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa video. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating website, no? Yung sipnayan.com, sa ating YouTube channel. Subscribe kayo, no? Kasi marami tayong videos na ina-upload every week. Halos once a day nag-upload ako, and then of course our Sipnayan YouTube channel. Our Facebook also. No? That's it. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.